I'm Mick Jensen, Service Manager at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
And I'm Floyd Wendler, Service Advisor at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
Now is a great time to check your car battery to make sure it's ready for winter driving.
Colder temps decrease battery power. With all the electrical components and multiple computers in today's vehicles, your battery is extremely important. We will perform a battery load test to ensure your battery is performing at significant cold cranking amps so that you are not stranded on the cold days ahead.
The battery load test is part of the Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram 6-point weatherization inspection and is included with your next oil change, which includes semi-synthetic oil, new oil filter, and tire rotation for only $74.95.
Don't wait. Get started today. Call us to set an appointment and enjoy our new no-charge pickup and delivery service.
I'm Mick Jensen.
And I'm Floyd Wendler. See you soon at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, West Frontage Road, I-55 and exit 41, Staunton.